good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
We just woke up and we are gonna get dressed in a minute and have some breakfast. Tramp is over there.
Yeah.
Lady and the Tramp. If you've ever watched Lady and the Tramp, it's amazing. And we'll show you Lady. That is Lady up there.
That was very confusing breakfast. Not really sure. We asked for kids waffles. The first one came with just waffles. Right, show. And then the second one, they insisted that it had to come with bacon and sausage and whatever, so I don't really know.
3.
And then Will, what are you going for?
We've gone for the cheese, egg and bacon bagel.
How much of your breakfast are you going to eat?
Probably just the egg.
Ryan's demolished his. Lesson learned. Only one meal between them in the future. So, how was yours?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So we didn't get a chance to do this last night. We only stayed there one night, Pop's entry. Room, then you've got the pool down bed that goes under there. I'm going to pull it all out because I've bashed my leg on it about 100 times today. Here's our bed. I have to say it was a really nice, lovely sleep. Sink, hairdryer, ironing board, hangers, shower with washing line. Next to every bed is USB ports and plugs, which is good because we have a lot of things to charge up. And tea, coffee, ice bucket, fridge, aircon worked lovely last night. Overall it's nice here. Whether you were staying here for 2 weeks, I don't know if you'd find it a bit crammed. I wouldn't really know where to put everything, but it's a nice hotel. It's a lovely place, and it was a brilliant night's sleep. That was really good. Pretty cool bus. Yeah. We have decided to come to Disney Springs this morning because we got up late and we had a terrible day yesterday and couldn't handle the park, so we're coming to pick up our magic bands, aren't we?
We're gonna get our magic bands.
Oh, what are they? Pyjama shorts? Fanta?
Yeah.
How much are they?
$18.95.
Oh. I quite like these. Yeah.
I don't know whether I think I quite like the Sprite ones.
Sprite ones. Yeah, they are. It is told you. Oh, these are quite cool as well. I like these trousers. Daddy's tempted, aren't you?
I am tempted.
Won't let me have one because they're too expensive, she says.
We are at
Gideon's.
Queue wasn't that long. I've just got to decide now which ones we want. So this is the original chocolate, key lime pie, chocolate chip banana. You want the cookie, don't you?
Triple.
I can see cookies and cream there.
Is that cookies and cream?
Cookies and cream.
Triple chocolate under.
Right, go on then.
Cookies and cream.
Yeah. Can we get a cookies and cream, a triple chocolate, and a pistachio topping?
So I got 3?
Yeah.
Anything to drink?
No, it's fine, thank you. Oh, to be hold that. Hold that.
Look at that, smoky. Look at smoky then.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Go on then.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Bye.
Bakehouse cookies.
Oh, nice.
We've got a pistachio toffee, a triple chocolate, and a
Cookies and cream.
The last one? I don't know. I ate it before they could have any. What was it? Oh, cookies and cream.
Go on then, have a bite, see what you think, dear.
Okay, let's see and take a bite out of that one.
It's good. Is that good? You probably couldn't eat too much of them, I wouldn't have thought.
Don't worry about the bits that fall off. Something pop.
Is there? Scale of 1 to 10?
That one I'll give a 7, that one I'll give a 10.
Oh, there you go.
Probably like a 10, that one like an 8 or 10.
Ryan, what you got?
Coke.
Beer's making hers into a Coke cocktail. Just chilling, it's so warm.
And you might have heard some songs in the background. There's a band nearby, well, right next to us. So, Mum,
Yeah.
do you like the holiday or not?
Good, first cocktail.
I absolutely love this.
Well, we'll see.
Can I have it?
We know where it is. How much is it?
I do not know, I'm trying to find it.
Should be on the price. On the bottom, price bottom. $25.
Don't care. It looks this is so cool. I can use this. You can take the cap off. I'm definitely going to have this.
Should we try then? See what you think?
Do you want to part that one?
Yeah.
There's a little hole halfway down the wall.
There you go. Beer, which do you want?
Cookies and cream.
We don't have a cookies and cream, but we do have a cookie dough.
Cookie dough, yeah? Yeah, do you want to try it first? Yeah, let Daddy sort them then.
One part of the beach thing.
And custard cone.
So here we go, I've heard good things about this. What's it like, Thea? Good. What's yours like, Ryan? As ice cream goes?
Let me try.
Thea, is it really good?
Yeah.
Oh, we're finished in Disney Springs and decided now we have our magic bands from Planet Hollywood that we're now going to go give Hollywood Studios a go and see how busy that is. Don't think we'll be there that long.
No, because it might rain soon.
We're going to go on the Skyliner, aren't we?
Yeah, if it doesn't rain.
So that looks like a very stormy sky. Hopefully we can get on.
I told you guys. It was gonna be.
We're on!
Oh, it's kind of wobbly.
Thea, move over. Got row 1. Are you ready for this?
No, shutting.
You will do.
Let's just wait to get to the end.
And you're in your pod.
Right, and this one goes really fast. Are you ready?
Wait, I'm gonna look forward. Oh, sounds good up.
You want the air, Thea? Right, well.
Oh, whoa. Going up.
Whoa!
I can't believe we this looks like a cool scene in a movie.
Welcome aboard the Disney
how fast we're
Skyliner at
going.
Disney's Hot Century Resort.
Jesus, look below. If we fall, we're landing on it. If I fall, I'm jumping onto there and grabbing onto that bar. That's electric, Ryan.
Okay, we're now made it onto the Hollywood Studios one. Hope it's not too gusty.
If it is,
Not Trumpy, gusty. Whoa!
All I can say is, it wasn't me, it was mine.
what?
Next one here.
Yeah, thank you, dog. I think we'll have a too big a queue.
We are waiting to go on the alien that spins round loads.
It's meant to be a 30-minute wait, isn't it? We'll see.
We'll show you at the end how long it's been.
Adults together.
like it was a little short.
Yeah. What did you think, Thea?
It was good.
Was it worth the 30-minute wait?
Yes.
Oh, there you go. Was it worth the 30-minute
Yes.
wait?
It was 26 minutes because we were off before the 30.
Oh, there you go then. Right, 35 minutes. Come on then, you ready for this? Ryan hates this ride. Ryan, are you ready for this? Ryan, are you talking to me?
Yes.
Are you ready for this?
I hate the story. It actually makes me creep out.
Does it? Well, you don't know it, do you? It's a whole new ride.
Yeah. Don't tell me. Tell me when it's over. I hate this. Is this just a video?
Yeah.
When storming that undergrowth, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator in one nightmare. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you.
It's a bit different to Paris, isn't it?
Parachute just goes straight up.
Oh god.
I know, I did.
Welcome back to those of you who made it. And a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you're checking into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
What did you think?
It was good. Me and Dia were like this. I almost flew out of my seat. Like my bottom went upwards.
Was it as bad as you thought it was going to be?
No.
Was it you wasn't as bad?
No. It was scary though. It wasn't scary.
Was it as good as Daddy remembered?
Yeah, it was different as well, which
Yeah.
has made it more entertaining.
Hi guys, thanks for dropping in.
Thank you.
Daddy, you got that.
Oh yeah, look.
There's a person. I think Daddy would really. I want to go on that again sometime.
Do you?
Can we go on it again sometime?
Before we go home.
Yeah.
You really, yeah.
Yeah.
Really liked it.
Yeah, that was
I thought it would be your cup of tea because you like that belly thing. Yeah.
No, my belly didn't go upwards. My whole body went upwards.
Yeah, she literally did leave the seat. It was the seatbelt keeping her in place.
Yeah, I was leaving my seat as well. I was like, oh!
Rolling. Speed.
Honda 16, 124 Apple, the Chiron counter, pickup shot, take 1 mark.
Rock hot! All right, folks, let's get this safely. Here we go.
stunt spectacular. What did you think?
It was really good.
Yeah. Thea, what did you like about it?
I just liked it.
Did you like the fire?
No, just liked all of it.
I like these. They are. Wow. They're $29.99. Nice. Look at all these are nice as well. I do like the sport pants. Oh wow, what have you found?
Oh, these. Wait, I have to take my hat off first.
Oh yeah, there you go. Just see you walking around like that.
What's up? I would not see myself walking around.
No. Woody! Wave! Or birds!
Absolutely lovely day.
Have you enjoyed today?
10 out of 10. 10 out. Big reel's good.
Oh, this is the hotel we want to stay in forever. So it would come in, fit straight for the beads.
Right, straight for tea.
Room looks nice. 2 beds. Which one are you going for?
The one least closest.
Okay.
Toilet sounds weird.
Lovely. All of them have USB ports.
Not outside the bed though.
Not
Where's
the
the
inside,
soap?
no.
Oh, fancy soap.
This is the toilet and shower.
Oh,
Same set.
Mummy, there's Disney soap. Let's
Oh,
see.
Disney soap. You had that in the last place, Ryan.
Don't care. Disney soap.
Lots of
Cool.
place to hang up stuff. Yeah, this is nice. I like it. When you overorder again. Oh my goodness.
And this is how big the slices are.
Yeah.
This is how big the slices are. Right, look how big the slices are. As big as my hand. Oh my god, look at the chicken.
Is it good?
This is a lovely 2 out of 14 days. Maybe.
What do you think of the pizza?
That's nice.
I like the pizza. The pizza is absolutely lovely. You should try it. And I like the cheese.
So I just realised when editing this video that I never signed off. We had a great first day in Disney. Went to Disney Springs to get our magic bands because when we book the hotel with attraction tickets you get free magic bands but you have to go pick them up from Planet Hollywood. That was relatively easy. Spent a couple of hours in Hollywood Studios, which we loved. And then we checked into French Quarters, which is an amazing hotel. Spoiler alert, it's our favourite hotel and really want to go back. And then we had some food in the quick service that was at the hotel, and yeah, it was a great first day. If you like this video, make sure you do a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you next week where we go to Magic Kingdom, which was the most amazing day. Crowd levels were low. It was just brilliant. Make sure you don't miss it. See you next week. Bye.